Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by gathering essentials: the Xbox, the VR headset, and HDMI 2.0 cable, and optionally a capture card or streaming PC. Connect Xbox HDMI OUT to capture card HDMI in or directly to your VR adapter if it accepts HDMI. Make sure the TV or headset is powered off before swapping cables. Once done, power on the capture card or PC and install any vendor drivers. These initial links let your Xbox video feed route into the VR processing chain for display. Now you route the live Xbox feed into the headset. Open your capture software on the PC and enable low latency pass-through. This sends HDMI from the Xbox through the capture card to the PC and then out to the VR link. Connect the PC's VR output cable, USB-C display port, or the headset's link box to the headset. Make sure refresh rate and resolution match the headset's supported settings. Mismatch causes judder. You want the PC to act as a simple bridge, minimizing processing to reduce input lag. Finish by syncing settings. Set the Xbox display to the headset's native resolution and refresh rate, then enable low latency or game mode on the TV, capture card, and PC. Launch a simple game to confirm image and audio pass through to the headset. If you encounter issues, reboot devices, swap cables, and ensure firmware and drivers are up to date. One key troubleshooting tip: if you get no signal, inspect HDMI edit handshakes and try a direct HDMI connection to isolate whether the capture card or adapter is blocking the feed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.